Hey guys, it's me, Ninja Crew, and today I will be showing you how to build about how to get to the end instantly. So let's get started. So first, you gotta build this simple thing here. You can use any block you want, but personally, I use the gold block because I like the texture and color of it, and it's gold. So you have to build a little plus like this, and then you have to get one of those little peg things. Where is it? You have to get one of these little things. Make the yellow thing point upwards on there. Then get the glue block. And then, but before you put the glue block on there, place your character right on top of that yellow thing right there. And then what you want to do is put two of these glue blocks inside of your body. And then you launch. And then when you jump, it'll make you go higher. And to go down, just point your thumbstick down, and look at this, it goes super fast. But just make sure to go through these, and make sure not to do this, what I'm doing right here. And make sure to go through the little areas, or else you won't get the coins for it. Oh god, no. Okay, so guys, that's what you don't want to do right there. You don't want to go too fast, or else you'll go just flying off the edge. So let me load it back real quick. Let me load this back in. Just don't mind that thing back there. Oh, why isn't it working? Oh no. I don't want that, no. Oopsie. Alright, now let's do it. Then let's launch again. Jump, and then you'll go up. And then you can just start to fly. Alright. And don't go too fast either. You don't want to go too fast. Uh-oh. Oh no, oh. Okay, that right there will kind of slow you down. Oh, we gotta get in that little tiny crack right there. And then what you gotta do is you gotta press on the two glue blocks, because that will bring you down, but don't do it when you're in the air, when you're about to fall off right here. So then, no, God. And then when you're about right here, press the two glue blocks, then you will fall down here, and then you can go to get your treasure. So let me do that right now. And then you'll get some gold. So, good. Let's get back to spawn. And you got one gold, and you get one gold block when you complete it too. And then you respawn. So, yep, guys, that's That's how you get to the end instantly and build a boat. So, see you next time. Bye.